Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building language habits with Beelinguapp step by step clearly. To start building language habits with Beelinguapp, begin by downloading the app from your device's app. Once installed, open the app and create a personal account. Choose the language you want to learn from the list provided. Explore the various stories available in your chosen language. Select a story that interests you, as motivation is key to building habits. Read the story side by side in your native and target language. Listen to the audio version of the story to improve your pronunciation. Highlight words or phrases that are new or challenging for you. Take notes on these words to reinforce your learning. Set a daily reading goal to establish consistency in your practice. Schedule a specific time each day to dedicate to your language learning. Engage with the community features, if available, to boost motivation. Repeat the process with different stories to expand your vocabulary. Review your notes regularly to reinforce your memory. Track your progress within the app to stay motivated. Integrate short review sessions throughout your day to reinforce learning. Over time, increase the complexity of the stories you choose. Remember, consistency is essential for building strong language habits. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, to keep your motivation high. Enjoy the journey of learning a new language with Beelinguapp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.